Growing up, I was drawn to both science and working closely with people, and medicine felt like the perfect way to combine those passions. During my training in OBGYN, I loved being part of such important moments in people's lives, like helping couples grow their families. But I was drawn to caring for women in ways that help restore their quality of life, and this led me to Urogynecology. Hi, I'm Dr. Alejandro Gomez-Viso, and I care for women experiencing conditions like urinary incontinence or prolapse. These issues can feel overwhelming, but they're also very treatable, and my goal is to help patients feel informed, empowered, and hopeful. We take the time to talk through what's going on, what matters most to you, and what options are available, from lifestyle changes and non-invasive therapies to surgical solutions. I want every patient to leave their first visit feeling reassured and confident that we'll make decisions together. I also bring my own background to my care. I'm originally from Venezuela and care for a large Spanish-speaking population in Orlando. Connecting with patients on that level and helping them feel understood is one of the most rewarding parts of my work. Outside of the hospital, I love traveling, working out, and sharing good food with friends and family. At the heart of everything I do, my goal is simple: to meet you where you are, help restore your quality of life, and remind you that you're not alone in this journey.